Hi, I'm Craig McLeod and welcome to Drift My Ride. Today we've got Chrissy's 2JZ E36 Saloon. The 2JZ-GE engine is the non-turbocharged version of the 2JZ family. It's a 3 litre 24 valve overhead camshaft engine with a cast iron cylinder block. The Toyota Altezza, Sora and Supra all came equipped with a 2JZ engine which in standard trim produced 280 brake horsepower and 290 Newton meters of torque. It was first released in 1991 and produced until 2007. With complete engines being able to be picked up for £500 and turbocharged kits widely available, you can have a 2JZ for a lot less than you would think.
Chrissy,
Craig,
thanks for coming along. You brought a car that you've had for a long time now. But this is this like version 2?
No, this is, well, it's still basically version 1.
This is still version 1.
But there's a lot of other versions. Aye, but it's 3 years now I've had it.
You've 3 years you've had this car. So it started out as like a standard 323. Did you put another engine in it after the 32? Did you go to
I ran the 325 engine in it for a year.
Okay.
Then I took it out and put a 328 in it. Blew it up. Then put the original engine back in and had a year and a half out with the original engine back in it again.
And then you went mental.
Went crazy. The urge for more power and turbos just got the better of me.
This thing has had a lot of serious modifications over the last few while. So what have you done?
It's got a 2JZ-GE, a GS300, 30,000 mile on it. Turbo head gasket, because that's 1.6 mil. The original non-turbos is only 0.2 mil.
So that's an NA motor that you got.
NA, and all you do to it is you put a turbo head gasket on and it traps compression down. Basically took it apart, changed the head gasket, put a rear sump onto it, and away we go.
That's amazing. So then, obviously, you've gone and then stuck a whacking great turbo on the side of it.
Garrett GT35.
35. Aye. It fits really nicely in there as well, doesn't it?
Okay. Modify the exhaust manifold.
Because this is like you're not just a guy who works in the backyard doing things. This is your business. So that's probably why it looks like it fits really well, because you know what you're doing. So what's the business that you run?
NHP Motorsport. Originally, it's all engine stuff that I did. For the past 16 years, I was an engine reconditioner. Then I opened up my own place. So now I'm trying to do MOT services, rebuilds, and keeping a few of my pals' drift cars on the road and that as well.
You've also done you went standalone, didn't you?
EMU Master ECU, the custom one that I made myself.
So does it run on the BMW electrics, or did you do a full standalone?
No, the car itself still running all the basic BMW stuff. So it is still running all this mess of the BMW, but that's all coming out shortly. Yeah,
that's but that engine's not going to die. This engine's going to be fine.
Hopefully not.
And you're not even stressing this thing. So at the moment you're running 417 point what? 7. 7, important point 7. And that's on 0.8 bars of boost. That's nuts.
I know. I'm still running the non-turbo inlet manifold, which is longer, supposedly, and I think it does make a difference with low down torque.
Yeah.
So I think that's why I've not got the problem with lag.
Okay.
But that does give me wee issues as well right now for like intake temps, but I'll get that sorted out.
Yeah. And now these is got temp, oil, so oil pressure.
Oil pressure.
And then we've got your rear band, and all that's just for safety, so you know exactly
just
what's going on.
Everything that's going on with the car basically.
And then what's we got? A wee turbo, wee boost gauge up here. You've built it as a competition car, so like things like handbrake. You've got a big cage in here as well, and you've done a lot of weight saving on this as well. Plastic windows and door cards all cut out, and the whole rear's been gone.
I've gone a few times.
Maybe not voluntarily gone a couple of times, is it?
No. There's a few people that helped me with that.
And you've also helped yourself, haven't you? I don't blame everyone else.
No, I've done a few up the bankman backwards. I've hurt the wall. I've hurt a few people.
But you drive it. That's what the thing is. You take it out and you do use it as the car.
I'm not scared to damage it. It annoys me, but I'll take it back. Fix it straight back out again.
And you've done all the bodywork and stuff yourself. All the paint, everything in this car.
Every single thing in this car is done by me.
So what have we got as far as the suspension and?
Suspension is just really eBay coilovers for now. The plan is to get upgraded to BCs. Camber arms in the back. E36 front.
What's the camber armament for this one? Because can you adjust the camber?
On the back, it's not like the compactor end that's got independent.
Oh, right.
So on the back I've got the camber arms, I've got it dialed into 0 degrees
Yeah.
at the back. The front is just basically your E46 bottom arms, rack spacers and then hubs that I made myself. The look to me is fine, but now that I've put this engine in, I'm starting to realise I need a wee bit more. But with the BM engine, it was way more than enough.
Some lovely seats, like these things are. You're not moving about in this thing, is it?
No, I like that seat, kind of holds you in. This one's a bit tatty looking, right enough, but
You don't sit in that one.
exactly.
Well, normally you don't sit in that one.
When I was doing the taxis, you used to get a few people like, oh, I like your seat, it looks as if the rats have got to it. But I've had this seat for a while, it means a lot to me.
Bodywork wise, you haven't gone over the top on this thing yet. It's still kind of a standard BMW looking
Not
thing.
yet, but I'm planning the start of next year. I want it to be wide, big sticky arches and that on it. The now it's just fiberglass over fenders in the front. And that's basically it. The rest of it's standard.
Do you run like certain size of wheels on it, or you
Just 17s, which I used to always just run like 15s or 16s with the BM engine. So now they're no good to me. So this is me. I'm making the step up to 17s, and I'm still trying to find my way with tyres and try to squeeze 225s and that in the back for some reason. They just don't want to fit in right.
I think there's nothing left to do before we get attacked by this wasp. I think we might as well open the window, go get some helmets and try and get rid of all the flies. Right, see you in a sec. Right, fans on. Track's a wee bit damp, so tighten up a little bit. Woo! I think it works really well there. Oh, it's that jumping from wet to dry stuff, isn't it?
I was going to sit on Sunday.
Yeah, I have to say I haven't felt it like a turbo yet. Right, we're in second gear, just a little slide down here where I'm gonna really work it. Just tickling the throttle. I'm not even touching. It's just like
Give it pain, man.
out on the wet stuff. There is I'm putting it on as much lock as there possibly is, and it doesn't rub. It doesn't it doesn't wobble or anything like that. It's just like it goes sideways pretty much 90 degrees. You can put it on 90 degrees, put the throttle down, and it'll just go, yeah, fine, we'll just go along that way.
3 sets of hubs before I got it right.
Oh, this is like, yeah, these are really good hubs. Like, for cut hubs as well. it drives us away from the corner. Just sits on angle, sits there. Conditions as well, like normally you'd be a bit worried about driving in these conditions because it's like patchy, and you can feel it, like the car when it's on the wet stuff, it's got nothing in the rear, but then you'll jump on the dry, but it still gives you the confidence to do it. I just totally think I'm not driving a turbocharged car. It doesn't feel turbocharged at all.
I like about it as well.
Yeah,
just no lag at all.
Yeah, mate, absolutely. There's nothing more I can do to test. It's just. Yeah, I'm absolutely astounded at how that engine combined with this chassis and your hubs as well, mate, they're just brilliant. They just, for cut hubs you always think, oh, are they going to be that great? But yeah, they just are perfect. Just like backing yourselves in and it drives you away. So yeah, mate, thank you very much for doing that. Guys, if you like these videos, if you could please like, share and subscribe to us on Driftland TV, and if you could follow me at Craig Does Drift on YouTube and Facebook. Right, see you in the next one.